Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting Arduino project in store for you. We will be showing you how to interface the DHT11 sensor with an Arduino UNO and display the temperature and humidity reading on the SSD1306 OLED screen. Also, we have set the temperature limit. When the temperature will be exceed from the limit, a buzzer will be start. So let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at the components we will be using for this project. We have an Arduino UNO board, a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, an SSD1306 OLED, and buzzer. The DHT temperature sensor is a popular and versatile digital sensor widely used for measuring temperature and humidity in various applications. Its compact size, low cost, and ease of use make it a preferred choice for electronics enthusiasts. The DHT sensor series includes several variants such as DHT11, DHT22, and DHT21, all of which share similar functionalities with slight variation in accuracy and operating range. The DHT sensor accurately measures ambient temperature in a wide range, typically from -40 degrees C to 80 degrees C, depending on the model. Along with the temperature, the sensor can also measure relative humidity, providing reading in the range of 0% to 100%. The DHT sensor provides digital output, making it easy to interface with microcontrollers and other digital devices. The DHT sensor typically has 3 pins for interfacing with external circuits. The pinout configuration may vary slightly between different models, but the general pin functions are as follows. VCC, power supply. This pin is used to provide the sensor with the necessary operating voltage. The voltage requirement for most DHT sensors range from 3.3 volt to 5 volt, making them compatible with a wide range of microcontrollers and development boards. Data signal output. It carries the digital signal that contains temperature and humidity information from the sensor to the microcontroller. The ground pin is connected to the common ground of the circuit to complete the electric circuit and ensure proper function of the sensor. Connect the VCC of the DHT11 sensor to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino UNO. Connect the ground pin of the DHT11 sensor to the ground pin of the Arduino UNO. Connect the data pin of the DHT11 sensor to digital pin 2 of the Arduino UNO. Connect the VCC pin of the OLED display to the 3.3 volt pin of the Arduino UNO and the ground pin to the ground pin on the Arduino UNO. Connect the SDA pin of the OLED display to the A4 pin on the Arduino UNO and the SCL pin to the A5 pin of the Arduino UNO. Connect the buzzer to digital pin 6 of the Arduino UNO. Power it up and see the magic happen. First, we need to install Adafruit GFX library. Go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries. Then search for Adafruit GFX and install them. In similar way, we will install the Adafruit SSD1306 and DHT library. Then we have defined the pins with which we have connected the DHT11 temperature sensor and a buzzer. The DHT sensor is connected with digital pin 2 and the buzzer is connected with the digital pin 6 of the Arduino UNO. After that, we have defined the type of DHT sensor we are using. Next, we will define some variables for the OLED display. Then we have defined the variables to store the temperature and humidity. In the setup function, we have start serial communication and use the buzzer as an output device and begin the DHT sensor and OLED display. In the loop function, we are reading the temperature and humidity and displaying it on the serial monitor and OLED display. If the temperature reading exceeds from 35 degrees, the buzzer will be on for 2 seconds. Successfully interface the DHT11 sensor with Arduino UNO and display the temperature and humidity reading on the SSD1306 OLED screen. This project can be a great starting point for more complex IoT application or weather monitoring system. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Arduino projects and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.